How many teachers, as soon as students score 100 marks in mathematics, immediately take the telephone and tell the parents? How many teachers? How many teachers? Lift your hand, teachers. Okay. My parents were very happy, got my favorite sweet from my mother. Another important event while I was in the first class, which I cannot forget, one day I did not turn up to my school. Teacher Muthuaya noticed my absence. Same evening came to my father to ask what the problem was and why did I not come to school, whether he can do anything to help me. That's a great teacher. On that day I was having fever. Another important thing which he noticed, my teacher noticed, was my handwriting was very poor in those days, even now. He gave a 3-page writing exercise and told my father that he should ensure that I do the exercise every day regularly. By this action of my teacher Muthuaya, my father told me in the later years that teacher Muthuaya is not only a good teacher to me in teaching, but he influenced and shaped me with good habits. He was a noble friend to our family. That should be the teacher. That should be a great teacher. First class, I am remembering my first class teacher Muthuaya. Even today I realize how many teachers love teaching and took personal interest to bring up his people or her people. Now let me talk about another one small incident. I was in 5th class at the age of 10. I had a teacher, Sri Siva Subramani Iyer. In my book I have written about him one chapter. He was one of the very good teachers in our school. All of us loved to attend his class and hear him. And he was teaching about one day he was teaching about the bird's flight. He drew a diagram of a bird on the blackboard depicting the wings, tail and nose and everything. And when he explained, all the students, he thought we all understood. Most of us did not understand. But he realized, he took us to the seashore and showed how the seabirds fly in formation 10, 15, then why wings are being flapped, birds when they are flying, immediately understood why, how change the direction, what is the locomotive force, all these things within 15 minutes, a theoretical lessons and also a experimental work he gave us, we learnt. Most important thing for me, it's not only why I learned that teaching, but also he gave me a vision in my life that something to do with the flight I have to do. And definitely it helped me. And I became physics student, then aeronautical engineering student. I became a rocket engineer, then space technologies. So friends, finally the teachers put you ahead also. Even when I went to St. Joseph College, Dotadri Iyengar, mathematics teacher, he will put us ahead, always 10 years ahead of us in the program. So finally, friends, what I would like to convey in conclusion, that youth has got the power of ideas, ambition, enthusiasm and ability. How many of you want to become engineers? How many of you want to become engineers? Okay, very good number, okay. How many of you want to become doctors? Fantastic numbers, doctors, okay. How many of you want to become teachers? I am also a teacher, okay. Teacher, okay. How many of you want to become political leaders? Political leaders. Not bad, not bad. Very good. Young fellows should go to political leaders and change the politics to developmental politics. How many of you want to go to Mars? Okay. I will meet you. I'll meet you there. So friends, I would like to assert to all of you that no youth today, wherever he is, no youth today need to fear about the future. No youth need to fear about the future. How? If you have an aim in life, what you will do? You have to acquire the knowledge. If you have a aim, just now you told me, you have an aim in life. And then you have to acquire the knowledge. How do you acquire the knowledge? You must have 3 friends. Great books, great friends, great teacher. Acquire the knowledge. Third one, you have to sweat. Sweat means hard work. And the fourth one is the perseverance. When the problem comes, and you should not get afraid of the problem. You have to defeat the problem and succeed. What are the four things? Aim in life, acquire the knowledge, hard work, and perseverance. So friends, I am very happy to meet all of you and wish you all the best. And now you are going to take with me, particularly for students, okay? A oath you are going to take. Ready? Ready? Yes or no? Yes. Oh. I realize that small aim is a crime. I will have a goal and work hard to achieve that goal. Will you do it? I will. Next one. I will work with integrity and succeed with integrity. Even the first few rows also it's true. And the dice also true. See, it is like this, all of us true. I work with integrity. I work with integrity and succeed with integrity. Dear children, if you find in your home which is not happening, you can change the parents, okay? Okay. So, motto, today what you have learned, I work with integrity, I succeed with integrity. Okay. Next one, I will be a good citizen, a good member of the family, good member of the society, good member of the nation, and good member of the world. Finally, for all this, you have to be a good human being. Last, I will always to save or better someone's life. Will you do it? Wherever I am, a thought will always come. Wherever I am, a thought will always come to my mind. That is, what can I give? What can I give? What can I give? Each one of you think, what can I give? All of you. All of us. Then when you start giving happiness, you don't need to have money. Knowledge you can give. A good heart you can give. So friends, with this, I will say, I will always protect and enhance the dignity of every human life. And I will always work for clean home, clean neighborhood, clean nation, clean planet Earth. So as a youth of the globe, I will work with courage to achieve success in all my tasks. Wish you all the best, friends. Question. Friends, number of questions I have received from you. I can't answer all the questions. But one thing I will do, I will select 5 questions. Then remaining question, I will go to my website, www.abdulkalam.com. You will find all the questions have been answered in 2 days' time. But today, in random